The Army multipurpose Mi-24 combat helicopters are intended for destruction of armed vehicles, low-speed air targets, enemy manpower, fire support of land forces, delivery of tactical troops, evacuation of the wounded, as well as for transporting special-purpose loads. During the period of serial production, the Design Bureau constantly continued to improve helicopter structure and armament. A number of modifications were developed on the base of the Mi-24 helicopters. At present, these combat helicopters are on the Army inventory of more than 20 countries. They have taken part in more than 30 military conflicts and local wars. The helicopter is equipped with two TV3 117 VMA turboshaft engines, each of 2,200 horsepower. It has high performance in a wide range of altitudes and temperatures. The helicopter's power unit is fitted out with a dust protection device and exhaust heat shields. When flying at high altitudes, for protection against icing, the helicopter has an anti-icing system. The pilot and operator are arranged in tandem. For the crew's normal vital activity in flight, there is an automatic air pressure regulating system and an air conditioning system, providing the crew's operation in a temperature range from minus 50 degrees centigrade to plus 37 degrees centigrade. For flying at altitudes above 3,000 meters, the helicopter is fitted out with oxygen equipment. High combat survivability of the Mi-35 helicopters is ensured by the duplication and reservation of the most vitally important systems: highly efficient cockpit, engine compartment, main gearbox compartment, hydraulic compartment armoring. Sealing and filling of fuel tanks with foam polyurethane significantly enhances the helicopter's survivability when hit by bullets and fragments, and blocks fuel leakage within 6 to 8 hours. A radar warning system, IR jammer, chaff and flare dispenser are installed on the helicopter. Flight navigation equipment and automatic flight control system allow the helicopter to fly at any time of day in simple and adverse weather conditions, both by visual flight rules and instrument flight rules on any air routes and over reference terrain. Effective small arms gun, rocket and bomb armament allows the helicopter to accomplish various combat missions on destruction of ground and air targets. Depending on the preset task, the helicopter has more than 10 armament versions. The helicopter's armament includes a movable machine gun unit with a 4-barrel machine gun, caliber 12.7 millimeters, universal gun containers with a 23 millimeter gun, unified helicopter pods with a machine gun or grenade launching version, a Sturm anti-tank complex with Sturm V missiles, rockets caliber 57 millimeters, 80 millimeters with different types of warheads, and bombs caliber from 50 to 500 kilograms and incendiary tanks. In order to increase firepower, an Mi-35 gun version of the Mi-24 helicopter was created. Instead of the built-in movable machine gun unit, a fixed gun unit with a 2-barrel 30mm caliber gun is installed on the RH side of the nose section. Apart from the combat version, the helicopter can be used as a number of other versions. The medical version makes it possible to transport 2 wounded or sick people in upright position and 2 in prone position. The troop-carrying version can transport up to 8 paratroopers. The transport version is designed to transport ammunition and small cargoes of up to 1,500 kilograms inside the cargo compartment, and also carry large cargoes of up to 2,400 kilograms on an external sling. Further development of the Mi-24V helicopter, export version Mi-35, is the Mi-35M helicopter. It is capable of accomplishing up-to-date combat missions at any time of day in simple and adverse weather conditions. The Mi-35M features up-to-date armament and high tactical and technical characteristics. It differs from the basic model by an upgraded rotor system, a non-retractable landing gear, a shortened wing with a built-in special load lifting system, night vision goggles and adapted lights for their use, a navigation and electronic indication complex consisting of an observation site station with a thermal imaging guidance channel and laser rangefinder. Installed on the helicopter, radio communication equipment of a new generation, up-to-date high-effective gun and rocket armament, including missiles of the air-to-air class. The radio electronic countermeasure system has been upgraded. The Mi-35M helicopter's up-to-date high-effective armament and night vision system doubles combat efficiency in comparison with the basic version. There are great hopes in another upgrading version developed on the basis of the Mi-35. On this helicopter, as on the Mi-35M, the fuselage is being modified and the lights are being adapted to night vision goggles. The radio electronic complex Brio 24 and the night thermal imaging guidance systems AREVA, together with the standard day guidance equipment, are intended for providing round-the-clock application of all types of the helicopter's guided and unguided armament. Mi-35 type helicopters and their modifications possess a high performance and serve as effective and reliable means of fighting in present-day conditions.